Alrighty, so I bought a 27-foot round above ground pool in 2002. The company is in Yorktown, Virginia. Uh, got it from another company there that moved on, so no way to get in touch. I had an issue with the wall and am looking to purchase a wall and liner to replace it. All of the rest of the frame is in perfect condition.
Well, I guess there's a possibility that you can find someone that's going to have wall only. However, I think that you said 2002. So these frame pieces are already 18 years old. And while they still may be in good shape, your best bet probably is just to replace the pool. Because the only benefit you're getting is you have some of the top rails and the bottom rail, but a liner and the liner and the wall are the most expensive parts of the pool anyway. My recommendation would be just buy a whole new 27 round pool kit. That way you get the wall, the liner, and all of the rails, the top and bottom rails, and all the things you need. Otherwise, I guess you could try to shop around and find specifically a 27 round pool wall and then buy the liner. But I do think by the time you spend the money on the liner and the wall, you're right there at a new pool kit. And to me, it'd just be better to replace it. And that way the whole new system works together, because over 20 years later, things have changed a bit, and you may have difficulty getting the old one to marry to the new one because the walls might be incrementally different. So my recommendation would be just replace the whole thing.